Hang on. Backlight. Not green yet. I'll just drive through. Run this for you, innit?
Mama.
Oh, for God's
Is that
sake.
red every time?
What was that? What was that?
That was a red.
Poor Alice.
Right now. Right.
Maybe they're growing it for pandas.
Alice, no.
Yeah, maybe.
A panda. A dry panda.
Growing it for pandas, are they?
Yeah.
Oh.
You see, that panda hide the
That's a
tree.
lion, babe.
Panda hiding in the tree?
Yeah.
Is there?
Mummy, the panda hiding.
There's a panda hiding in the tree, is there? Okay.
Get to see panda.
I'd have to take you to Scotland to see a panda, I'm afraid.
In Scotland?
There is. There's some in Edinburgh too.
Are they still there?
I think so.
Salo. Thought they came out.
No, I thought they were still there. 'Cause they're trying to breed them.
They were only here for a certain length of time, weren't they, though?
There's no cars in front of there, really. Or...
It's lions, babe, not pandas.
I see, wait, see panda.
There's no pandas.
I see
There's no pandas.
I see panda.
There's no panda.
Water there.
Oh,
Oh, waterfall.
panda, yeah,
They're all here. Yeah. I can
panda,
tell.
yeah. Oh, I see
There
one.
they are. There's one over there.
There's a boy over there.
Oh, look, there they are.
See him over the fire.
Alice.
Oh, look at the big daddy one.
Look there.
Yeah, that one got a bone in a box.
Oh,
Do you see the white lions?
oh,
Oh, look at that big daddy one with all the hair.
Box on the rain off the boot.
Do you see the big daddy one?
Oh no,
It's quite
look
cool,
at
isn't it?
that.
No, she got that bone. Look at her with that bone.
Must have had a lot of strength they got.
Yeah. They're on chains as well, aren't they?
Right?
They're on chains, those
Yeah,
bones.
yeah.
Aren't they nice, Alice?
Look. Do you see the big daddy one? Oh, she was licking her lips then. That's worrying. Look, there's another one with a bone over there.
Where?
Over there. Look, that
They
way.
nearly all got bloody bonies for that. haven't they?
Yeah, but they've probably been fed this morning.
Aye.
They might have been fed this morning.
Got a little more pictures.
Have you?
Well done.
Did you like that, Alice, seeing those lions?
It's in more way
Yes, I
one
like this
minute.
game.
It's
Oh,
in,
wait.
I see. Oh. I'll tell you when they get closes.
Still really kind of waiting now to come in.
Yeah.
Oh, my duck.
Well, they'll keep coming all day, won't
I
they?
do, Mummy. I don't like you.
You don't like me?
It's closing
Well,
by
that's very nice. Thank you, Alice.
You can now open your windows.
You don't like it because you're making her stay there.
Yeah.
I don't like you.
I like you, though.
I don't like
No,
you.
you stay there.
I don't
Do you want
like
to come
you.
back
She
with
waves.
Grandma, do you?
I don't like
We
you.
can let's hurry up. Just,
Do you want to come back with Grandma? You're going to sit in
Cunts
your
have
seat.
got right, sit in the seat then.
You're going to sit in
Put it over there, right?
No.
Oh, hang on.
No.
Just give us a pen. Let's put them back.
Yeah.
Oh, she's having a biscuit. She's got a biscuit of somebody else's.
Ah.
That's probably Daddy's biscuit.
No, we checked with her for.
Yeah.
Digestive. Can she have it? Do you want it or not?
Right, Alice. No, not me.
No.
You can go back in your seat otherwise.
Stand up.
Come on.
Just gotta wash yourself around.
Buses out now.
Look, there's animals again. Looking in the windows of the cars.
He say hello.
Is he?
Yeah.
He's not. He wants food.
He's not, he's after food. Look.
And this was on a stupid angle.
I don't think you can give them mints, love.
Alice, you shouldn't be eating those. I got no food for you, mate.
Oh, yes, please.
Does it realise you've got your window closed? They keep going, don't they?
Yeah.
Look at buffalo.
Baby one.
No, was that a baby one, was it?
Oh, daddy
There's
one.
loads over there, right?
Well done, mate.
Lots over there.
I got pictures.
Ah.
This gets me.
There's loads over there, mate.
Okay, that's right.
Look, the rhinos are out.
Where?
Oh, 2 more there, right?
Do you see them?
Yeah.
Look, there's loads down there feeding. Look.
Yeah,
Oh,
but she's looking at the rhinos right in front of her, John.
look.
She's looking at the rhinos.
Oh, there's another 2 rhinos down there as well.
I don't like to fight them. Do you see that queue over there?
Got pictures.
Look how many people.
The safari tours, yeah. If you go past
Look, they actually go up round all the way.
well, no, the safari tours go.
They go across
wherever.
anything. They go wherever they want. They drive across the grass. But we're they're all sat there on leaves. Where's the zebras?
Zebras up there. Zebras
Zebras.
up there.
Yeah.
Look, Alice.
Where?
No,
Over,
it's front.
over Mummy's
It's in
side.
front.
Over by Mummy's window. No, Mummy's side.
This side.
And
Look.
there's loads outside as
Zebras.
well, that.
Zebra.
And loads over there, that.
Oh,
Just here, look. By
Please
you,
come.
at
What
this
is supposed to feed the
side.
zebras?
please come on my side as well. Oh, yeah. Please,
I'll do
one
it,
of the
yes, yeah.
shepherds come to
Come here,
my
sit,
side.
sit down there, then you can see.
Ah,
Yeah,
I'll
look,
go
there's loads
in,
out
so-
there, that.
Look,
There's the
this
zebras.
side.
Hey,
Look.
there's the zebras, huh?
and say hello.
Look, he come out to see you, that one there. Yeah, waving. He's waving.
Look, the zebra's coming over to say hello. Oh, stop.
There was 2 coming over to see you. Look, there you are. There.
Hit the horns, haven't they?
Someone's having problems.
Right? There's one.
Someone's
beeping
got an
their horn.
emergency.
Was there? Look, it's...
Look.
Yeah, you're only meant to beep your horn if you need assistance.
Yeah.
Look, see? Oh, aren't they
There's
nice?
a horse with stripes on.
Ooh.
Let me see.
You're going to come over my side now. Come on, then, quick.
Oh, no. I'm doing now.
Let's go in now, all right then.
No, I think it's people beeping to tell the animals to move out the way.
You're only meant to beep if you need assistance.
Where are you going?
Seagull having a wash.
Alice, where are you going? Keep still, because this one is
Yeah.
this is a hilly this bit, Ali.
Bumpy now.
Alice, stay. Hold on, because I've got to go down a big
No,
dip
don't
here.
worry.
I've got to go down a big dip now to see the elephants.
See the elephants.
No.
Oh, it's not.
touching
No, it's not. It's still a bit. Isn't it?
Lucky, did you have a mint in your mouth? Did
Yes.
you? Oh.
It's a camel. It's got smelly camels.
Oh, the camels.
Smelly camels.
I have my...
That's your bit scared.
Thank you.
Good girl.
Oh.
Are you driving a little bloody rig, mate? No.
Hang on then, let's move the stuff over here. See it first.
Hello, Bear.
No, you can't do it that way. You've got to sit
Sheep
down.
man.
Hello, Bear. Hello. Ready?
Sit down then, quick.
Sheep
Oh, we could go down the hill now. Uh-oh, we could go down the hill.
There's loads over there though.
Yeah, it's camels now.
Then the elephants are in that, so not the horrible drop.
Sit still, you won't see them.
Alice, they're going to be on that side. Camels.
You got the
Look,
tigers
there's
now.
camels down there.
Alice, get down.
Mine, down. You're out
You've
there.
got to watch out she don't flood that seat now, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Come on, quick.
Okay.
I think there's some more lions over this side, isn't there?
There's one here. There's one here.
Look,
tigers.
there's
Alice,
tigers.
there.
Camels over there.
Look.
Tiger.
Yeah,
Oh, look at this tiger here.
Look.
Look, a white one. He's got a big ball. Can you see him?
Where?
Just here.
Where?
You've got a bone as well.
There. Where Mummy's window there? Just here. Look, can you see this side? Alice, can you see him?
Play ball.
He's playing with the ball. I think he got a big bone he's eating.
Take her for a little bit.
Him. Frighten him.
Did you know these
Look at these, there's some.
those tigers
There's some.
Oh, it's on a
Look at these.
chain
Look
like
at these.
ball.
There's some people and like. Look at those type of animals there.
Well, yeah, it's a thingy. They can go in and have a look.
Look at these people.
Look,
Yeah,
look,
but
look,
look at
there's another one here.
we can't go in there.
Well, they're in there with a thingy, so they must be able to
Yeah,
on the
let's-
safari
They
thing.
must pay for that.
Where?
Oh, I can see another tiger down there. Please sit down, or you'll have to go.
Alice,
back in
sit
a minute.
down. Or if I should be going down in the
Sit
seat.
down properly. Leave Ben alone because he
Sit down.
can't see it if he's got. Look
Can
at
I
this
see-
one in
I
the
just- I
water.
wanna see.
Look, this one having his bath. Look, he's having a bath. Can you see?
Yeah, but just see out there. I can.
Yeah, he's having a bath.
Look
Isn't he?
look at these. Look at these ones. And there. Look at those caged animals there.
Dave, don't be weird.
Changed animals here. Look, another big tiger there.
Where?
In there.
That's a research car.
Mine.
Over there, look.
Where?
Over
Oh, I
there.
see it. Stop there. Stop.
He's going along the fence. Let's have got his shoes on.
So I took them off. Right, hold on now, Alice. This is going to be the bumpy
my
bit.
feet again.
Alice, hold on, because this is where
Look, here they all are. Camels over there. Loads of them.
This
Loads of
side.
camels.
Oh, over there. Where?
Let's go and see some scabby one.
Where?
There.
Look, there's one sat there down there. Look.
Look, camels.
No, there's one right there.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh,
Heading.
Camel.
oh they stink.
Chewing.
Ugh.
Wonder what they're chewing.
No.
Can you smell them?
It's not a giraffe, it's a camel, love.
I can back and see them there. Right, this bit's going to have to hold on because I've got to go down that steep hill.
Camels like walking on sand.
Let's watch me.
Do you know what we're going to see now?
Camel there.
No,
Right,
not camels
Alice,
again. We're going to
hold
see,
on now because I'm going down a steep hill now.
Going to see elephant.
Ready?
Look, you're going to fall over in a minute, Alice. Oh,
Right, hold on now, Alice, a
Look.
minute.
right, I got her on my knee. Got to stay still now.
It's just this bit there, you know.
Just stay still a minute because it's steep. We're going down a steep hill now. And then you see. She won't keep still, will she?
Alice.
No. She didn't.
I can see elephants.
Where?
Can you see them?
Yes, Mummy side.
Age.
Right, come here. Alice, I don't.
No. It's steep.
Look,
No. Look. The animals you come to see. Look at the animals.
look, over there.
You know.
Wait.
No, leave that. No, you don't take that out.
What do you want a wet wipe for? She got sticky hands, I think. Do you know, your brother was never like this when we used to bring him in the back of the
Oh, look,
car?
he's playing with a drum.
Yeah. You are.
the elephant over there. You see he's playing with a toy.
Get a picture.
You've got snacks in there.
Food bar, I think.
Yeah, it's probably got something in there that falls out. Peanuts they like, don't they? There, look out to Grandad's side. And can you see the little one, the baby one? She's not a baby anymore though, is she? No, it's surprising it. It's not been that many years.
No, it's only about a year.
Right, sit down now. Turn round, sit down.
We'll strap you in if you don't stop.
Alice. Right, come here. No, come here. Get up. Get up now. Right, you've missed it now. Because you're being silly. You missed it now because you're being silly.